Hi, today I'm going to show you the Uyue858d hot air soldering station I bought from Adam through AliExpress. This is the unit. It looks good, as you see it, but I had a few problems with it. First of all, when it arrived in this box, well packed, no problem. There was this bag with components which obviously are not for the for this unit. Some sort of plastic stick, which I have no idea what it's for. Well, it went through quality control, but what does it mean? And this little spring type thing that I have no idea what it's for either. Well, that's not so bad, but the main problem was that what was missing were the nozzles for the soldering iron, and I still don't have them. So I can get rid of that. It's all well packed, that's no problem. So what you see is here you look into the front of the soldering, the hot air gun, so to say, and there should be a nozzle in front. Now I have these nozzles here now, which after I complained about this unit, I got sent these nozzles, and well, you can put them on more or less. They don't fit very nicely, but well, what I don't like about this type of nozzle is that it's open on this side, so a lot of air that comes out of the gun flows out through this hole and not through this hole. This thing you have to screw on yourself, and it goes with 2 screws here, and the screws were not in the package. So well, I solved that problem myself. It's not so difficult, of course. I found some screws and put it on. I didn't complain about that, whatever. But the more importantly, the gun didn't work. So I unscrewed 2 screws here, and I'll show you what happened. This is what you see when you open up the gun. This wire here, I hope you can see it. More in front here. This wire here, which is soldered to the PCB here, it was just loose, it was dangling, so I soldered it to the PCB, and that solved that problem. But so much to show for the quality control. So I'll assemble it again. So I put it all together again, and now it works. Well, I'll show you that it works. It's no problem. Put it on. Up to 450 degrees Celsius, and down to 100. It's the lowest temperature. So I complained to the seller about the fact that there were no nozzles included in the box. And normally, when you look at the website, there's a small, a medium, and a large nozzle. These are the nozzles that he sent me after a couple of weeks, and what you can see is that they are all the same size. And what do I need 3 the same nozzles for? There should be a large one, a medium one, and a small one. But that's no good. You can buy a set of 3 for about €5.50 on AliExpress. Thank you very much. Shrinking. Wait until it's 150, and then you can just unsolder chips from board, solder them on.